Good morning, everyone, and welcome to our September Star Student Assembly. This is our first one of this year and our first virtual assembly ever. We are very excited to be able to recognize a few of our students for the outstanding character that they have demonstrated over the last month. We wish we could do this in person, but for now we have had to find a new way to recognize our students. We do this because good character is essential in being successful in everything that you do. We love to hear about all the wonderful things our students are doing each day and how they demonstrate that they are students of strong character. Our students work very hard and we are very proud of all of them for trying their best. September's theme was caring. You can see on the screen a whole bunch of different words that describe caring. All of these words came from the nominations that I'll be reading today. We were looking for students throughout the month of September who showed that they care about the safety and feelings of everyone around them, as well as the quality of their work and school environment. Students who are caring show kindness to everyone around them. It is important for everyone to know that they are cared about, and we want to recognize students that put forth the effort to help others feel that way each and every day. Now, let's find out who this month's STAR students are. I will read the nomination from the teacher and then announce who that STAR student is. Our purple and gold students will receive a packet of materials with a certificate, their nomination, and some other goodies the next time that they are at school. We will mail out these packets for our virtual students. Our first STAR student is a third grader from Mrs. Cook's virtual classroom. This student makes the best out of life's current situation, is a caring and respectful young lady, never talks poorly about others, does her best and looks out for others, is interested in always doing what's right. She includes others, shows concern for their feelings and emotions. She can change the world with her caring personality. She accepts others for whom they are. She is respectful and kind-hearted, intelligent and wise, is natural at being kind and caring to others, and gives respect no matter the situation. Congratulations to Mandy Bamberg. Our next STAR student is from Miss Kennedy's third grade classroom, nominated by Miss Kennedy and Miss Bach. This student has always been helpful to her classmates and me. When something needs to be done that she can do, she asks if I would like her to help. She talks about taking care of her cat. She even brought the cat to our class meeting on Wednesday. Congratulations and great job to Bristol Dix. Our next STAR student is from Mrs. Martin's third grade virtual classroom. This student is a dedicated and caring young lady. She is always the first student up early and working on her assignments in our virtual classroom. She has been helpful when exploring websites for our assignments. She gives positive feedback during our Google Meets, which also helps her classmates. Her caring and respectful ways are a wonderful example for all of us. Thank you and congratulations to Jasmine Lasoski. Our next STAR student is from Mrs. Wallace's third grade classroom. It is with great pleasure to nominate this young lady for my first STAR student. She has so many kind and caring qualities. I watch how she patiently helps her classmates, take turns, and helps me out in the classroom. Such an outstanding character to see. Congratulations, you've got what it takes to be a caring STAR student. Great job to Cecilia Albee. Our next STAR student is from Mrs. Warden's third grade classroom. This student has displayed the character trait of caring. She stepped up to help a new student with classroom routines. I don't even know if she realized she was being so helpful and kind. She truly is a caring student. Thanks for going above and beyond. I am very proud of you, kiddo. You are amazing. Congratulations to Carly Cole. Our next STAR student is from Mr. Ball's fourth grade classroom. Our STAR student this month is having a great start to her school year. She works very hard and is very involved in class discussion. She is a very caring person. I believe she genuinely cares about others and what might be going on in their lives. She shows she cares by asking me questions about how my day is going and always makes the effort to tell me goodbye at the end of the day. I appreciate her willingness to help others and the insight she provides during our conversations throughout the day. It's nice to have someone in our classroom who makes an effort to care about others. Congratulations to Natalie Nickel. Our next STAR student is from Mrs. Bush's fourth grade classroom. Room 110 STAR student for September is a caring young lady. She is very inclusive of the peers in our classroom and helps those who need it. This young lady is a supportive and conscientious student. Congratulations, you've got what it takes to be known as a STAR student at Shaw Elementary. Way to go, Margaret Percy. Our next STAR student is from Miss Forbean's fourth grade classroom. Edward Albert said, "The simple act of caring is heroic." This student is definitely a caring young lady. She cares about her work, always making sure that it is complete and done neatly. She cares about her classmates and is willing to offer them help if she can. She cares about her classroom and is willing to help put up chairs, even without being asked. She cares about her teacher, offering a big smile each and every day. She is truly a caring person. Keep it up, kiddo. Your kindness does not go unnoticed. Congratulations to Lily Wilkins. Our next star student is from Mrs. K's 4th grade classroom. This student is an extraordinary caring individual. I'm going to start again. This student is an extraordinarily caring individual. She is willing to share, laugh, and smile with anyone in class. She is the first to clap when someone else gets the top score in Kahoot and always tries her best. We are so very lucky to have her in our classroom this year. You are a superstar. Congratulations to Maggie Mothersell. Our next star student is from Ms. Kuntz's 4th grade virtual classroom. A smile is the light in your window that tells others that there is a caring person inside. A quote by Dennis Waitley. A truly caring person can show this in so many ways. They show kindness in how they treat other people. They value their time and show up when they are supposed to. They get along with others and offer to help when they see someone struggling. They try their best to follow directions and complete their work on time. The student I have chosen shown all of this and more this month. Congratulations to Parker Campbell. Now on to 5th grade. Our first 5th grade star student for this year is from Mrs. Burns' 5th grade classroom. The student that was nominated for Star Student this month is truly a star. This student shows caring in so many ways. The classmates of this student have told me that she is kind to everyone and is always there to help anyone who needs it. I was also told that when this student notices that someone is sad or just plain feeling bad, she is there to try to cheer them up. I also see the student demonstrate caring in the way that she takes pride in her work. She cares about her grades and always does her best on any assignment that I give her. Congratulations, you are truly a star. Never stop being the caring person that you are. Great job to Alexis Guswa. Sorry, I'm sure I got the last name wrong. Our next star student is from Mrs. Gill's 5th grade classroom. To make a difference in someone's life, you don't have to be rich, brilliant, or perfect. You just have to care. I have chosen our star student by recognizing caring qualities shown throughout actions and words. Our star student steps up to help others when needed and is always encouraging to his classmates. I can tell he cares about his grades. He works hard to complete all assignments on time and wants to do his best on all of his work. He is also very polite to peers and adults. Congratulations, your caring attitude is noticed and greatly appreciated every day in our classroom community. Great job to Landon Long. Our next star student is from Ms. Nichols' 5th grade classroom. My star student nomination this month goes to a student who consistently shows how much he cares about school and others. When it comes to classwork, the student shows caring by participating in discussions during class, turning his work in on time on Google Classroom during days he is not in school, and asking questions when he needs to. He always follows directions quickly and treats classroom materials and technology carefully and respectfully. In caring for others, I see the student being polite to fellow classmates and listening to others when they are speaking. He takes his turn during activities and bathroom breaks and doesn't have a me-first attitude. Therefore, this month, I am nominating Harrison Miner as our star student. Congratulations. Our next star student is from Ms. Schauger's 5th grade virtual classroom. The student that I am nominating for Star Student of September and the theme of caring has shown great character. He goes above and beyond every day to show that he cares about both his schoolwork and his classmates. Even though we are learning virtual this year, he is always trying to help others. He attends our classroom Google Meets every day, even when he is not at home. If he doesn't understand an assignment, he asks for clarification. If a classmate needs help, he is first to offer a solution. For these reasons and more, I am excited to nominate him for Star Student for the month of September. Congratulations to Logan Ross. Keep up the good work. And our final star student from this month is from Mrs. Torma's 5th grade virtual classroom. Even with being socially distanced, this student's caring ways shine through. She has posted good morning and hope you have a good day to the entire class on Google Classroom. If other students have a question that they have posted in the comments of an assignment, the student is often the first to respond to that question. Many times, by the time I see the question, the problem is solved because she has already helped the students in need. She also shows up to the Google Meets in a pleasant mood and makes everyone feel like they are an important part of our classroom. That is why I am nominating as our star student for our room for the trade of caring, Emerson Cannon. Congratulations. Congratulations to all of our September Star students. We have one more award to give out. Our specialist teachers have nominated a whole class that they felt demonstrated great character as a whole throughout the month of September. This class will have a poster to put up outside their classroom that recognizes them as September's Classroom Superstars. September Classroom Superstars are the students from Mr. Ball's 4th grade classroom. Congratulations! Next month's STAR student theme for the month is Attitude. We'll be looking for students throughout the month of October who demonstrate a positive attitude in all that they say and do at every place that they go. These students work with a smile and have an I can do it mentality each and every day. We thank our students for the outstanding character that they demonstrate. We have an amazing group of students here at Shaw, including those learning from home. We have had a great start to the school year with our students and their demonstration of great character. Thank you to our families who support these students. It is because of the support and modeling that you provide for these students that we're nominated today that they know how to be people of character. Your support means the world to them and to us. We will get pictures of our purple and gold students when they are here at school for our STAR Student Bulletin Board, and we would love to have our virtual students email a picture to their teacher that we can use on our bulletin board as well. Their pictures will be displayed up on our bulletin board for the next month. Everyone have a fantastic day, and congratulations to all of our STAR students.